Hi, James and Nicky from Fine & Country, and you've joined us here today at this beautiful period conversion for Northgate Street.
Follow us and we'll take you for a tour inside. This beautifully presented 5-bedroom townhouse is set over 4 floors, including the cellar. It offers spacious living accommodation with 2 reception rooms and a stunning bespokely fitted open plan kitchen. The kitchen opens into the lovely private garden with patio area. You join us at the end of the tour in the beautiful garden with a backdrop of St Mary's Church.
If you'd like more information, please contact us on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.